Early on in my career, folks, almost 30 years ago, arthritic and degenerative joints is what I would see in my elderly patient base, meaning 60s, 70s, and 80s. Fast forward nearly 30 years, and what I'm seeing is people in their late 30s, 40s, and 50s are already starting to develop arthritic and degenerative changes. So what does that mean for you? Well, folks, the goal is to keep you functioning at a high level and to keep you living the life that you want to live. That should be each one of our goals. So what's different about us is that we take a medical and a holistic approach and combine them in what we call a team approach. And then we allow all of our practice members, all of our doctors, to treat you together. We use things like PRP, joint injections, trigger point injections, bracing, spinal decompression, chiropractic, kinesiotaping, functional rehab. These are many of the tools that we use to keep you functioning at a high level, keep you on the court, keep you on the field, and yet slow down the progression of arthritic and degenerative joints. The only thing you need to do, folks, is give us a call. We can typically get you in within a 24-hour period. Our number is 423-388-3643. Give us a call and let's start a different journey for you.